Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're making a paper pumpkin alternate using the Sweeter With You paper pumpkin kit July 2025. This is what the kit originally makes. And before we get started on our project, we're going to go over some buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Farmhouse Florals paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 whimsical cards. Secret C is the stamping spot, and this kit is going to have an additional free stamp set included. We have our Circle of the Season add-on dies available that coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits. And I have a link in the description box for the paper pumpkin if you want to go ahead and sign up for that. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you shop, earn, redeem, and repeat. Earn 10% on all orders, $20 or more excluding shipping and tax. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account. And your rewards do expire after 12 months of earning date, so you can save them and accumulate them, but make sure you use them before the 12 months is over of that first earning period, okay? Mystery boxes, just $35 each. Oh, nope. It's $30 until the end of July 31st. After that, it's going to be $35 each. Shipping is included, though. So right now, they're $30 for new and used retired Stampin' Up products. It's about $150 to $200 worth of stuff stuffed inside of a medium flat rate USPS box, okay? So you're getting a pretty good deal. stampwithshana@gmail.com is my email address if you are interested. That is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let's go ahead and start on this project. I have a card base here of some thick basic white that is 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2. I have an inside of Daffodil Delight that is 5 by 3 3/4. Basic white 3 1/2 by 4 3/4, and we're going to add some of our card pieces from the kit to the inside here. I don't know what size this is. It was just some leftover piece, and it looks to be about 3/4 of an inch, or maybe a little bit smaller than that. So it might be 5/8 of an inch. And I just used a punch, a retired Stampin' Up punch, to do a little banner here. And instead of throwing the piece away that punches out when you do the banner, I kept it because I'm going to add it down like this, just like that. Okay, and then we're going to take this and put it on the Daffodil Delight piece with our Stampin' Seal. Then we're going to glue this to the inside of our card base. So we can have the inside done and out of the way. Okay, so now our next piece of Daffodil Delight, this one is 5 1/4 by 4. Yes, 5 1/4 by 4. Then I have some pieces from the kit here, from the card front, and this is 2 3/4 by 1 1/2, and then 2 3/4 by 3 1/2. And we're going to glue these onto the left side of our Daffodil Delight, leaving a slight border. Whoop. Just about like this. I'm gonna scoot. Oop. That one is already locked down, so I need to scoot this one back over. I was trying to give it a smaller border, but I guess not. Okay, so we're gonna glue that down like that. And now I can go ahead and put this on our card front because that's all we need. I wanted to make sure I got that right before I glued it to our card base. I'm gonna take that, put it on our card base just like this. Okay, then we have the little scallop circle from the kit, and we're gonna stamp on this using Poppy Parade ink. Life is Sweeter With You. Just like that. And I think that is all our stamping that we're going to be doing. And am I going to pop this up? Yes, I want to pop that up. So let me get some dimensionals. some Stampin' Dimensionals here to put on our circle. This is a cute little scallop circle. And it has pool party and dottage around the sentiment. And we're just gonna put that right there on our card. Then I have a strawberry here from the kit, and we're gonna add that right here. Then I have a flower that I die cut using the coordinating dies that coordinate with this kit, the Circle of Season dies. And we're gonna add that flower right there. Oop. I wanna make sure it doesn't overlap the dimensionals. Okay, then I have 2 more flowers here that I put glue dots on using the kit's glue dots. We're gonna put those up here like that. Then I have some strawberries. These are not from the kit. These I stamped using the stamps from the kit, and then I just fussy cut them out. And this is on some basic white cardstock, and we're gonna put those over here like so, just like that. And then we're gonna add some bling using the Strawberry Slush and Pretty in Pink gems. And we're gonna take these clear ones, the small ones, to put on our flower centers. They say clear, but they have little flecks of gold in it, so it kind of picks up a little bit of color. So we have those. Then we're gonna add some of these Strawberry Slush right here. Let me see, I want a small one. A smaller one. And then we're gonna put one right up there, just like that. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and simple, super cute. And if you want, you can stamp a strawberry inside or some flowers, whatever you like, okay? But that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.